Hi, and welcome to What's for Dinner at My House. So we're going to start off with a wonderful treat of a sweet potato casserole. This was so delicious. It smelled the house up like fall. And then I made some stuffed peppers. And that recipe will be linked down below in case you're wondering how I make those. Then I made Ronnie's favorite, which was hamburgers with onions and mushrooms. Oh, and this is so good. I love it. And I'm going to show you my favorite seasoning, and that is the Clavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. This is my go-to for pretty much everything. There's my burger. Sorry it looks a little yellow, but I've got a lot of cheese. It was really good. This particular day I boiled some chicken. I made some hot dog stuffed peppers. And I'm also making some chicken fajitas too. And it's a great way to utilize a family pack of chicken by making two different things. So there's my spring chicken soup. Recipe will be down below for that. As well as my chicken fajitas and my hot dog stuffed hot peppers. There's my plate. And I'm using this new sauce. It is so delicious. It is amazing on my fajita. And then I'm also showing you this sauce too. I highly recommend both of them. They are both delicious. I love it. And there's my spring chicken soup. It is so good, especially this time of year. It's got a lot of vegetables in it. And the one thing I love about the soup is that it has zucchini in it, and that seems to really set it apart from your typical, chicken soup. And you can add any kind of vegetables you would like to it, but that zucchini just does it for me. And there's carrot and celery and onion and lots of chicken broth, and I put rosemary and thyme, garlic, salt and pepper. I just added the works to it, your typical hearty, very satisfying chicken soup. It is so good. And there are my hot dog stuffed hot peppers. This is a tradition in West Virginia where I live. And I will be sure to leave all these recipes down below. Now I made a very simple spaghetti sauce with onion and mushrooms, and I'm showing you here my favorite garlic bread, and I'm getting my water ready for my pasta. Don't that look good? There's nothing like a chunky spaghetti sauce. It's so easy to make, but it is so delicious, and everybody in the family seems to really enjoy. I like a good chunky sauce. There's my noodles ready, and my garlic bread just came out of the oven, and I'm about to serve it up. I cannot wait to dive into that. Now, I know you've probably seen this on a very recent video, but I wanted to put in here because these were delicious. These are the jumbo pumpkin cinnamon rolls from Audi. I love the icing that comes with this. It's sort of a brown sugar glaze. And when your cinnamon rolls are piping hot, that glaze just seems to melt down over it. Ronnie and I enjoyed every scrumptious bite of these pumpkin cinnamon rolls. They were so delicious, and I highly recommend them. Now I made my taco chili. I also have a recipe for this. It is so good and hearty. This is definitely a fall treat, along with a pan of cornbread. Now I decided to make some homemade peanut butter cookies. I had to think there for a second. Peanut butter cookies, and this is what they look like when they come out. Oh, I love a good peanut butter cookie. Now this was a Sunday, and I made smothered pork chops with mushrooms And I took the time to slice up potatoes and make some homemade French fries, and these are delicious. I hope you enjoyed seeing all these meal ideas. Thanks so much for watching.